In this session, we are going to find the lateral shift and we will trace the refracted ray. So, what is the aim of the experiment? What is the aim of the experiment? See, determination of refracted ray, tracking by a glass slab, and lateral shift. We are going to find the lateral shift. Okay. First of all, what do you understand by lateral shift? Means how much the incident ray is deviated from its path as it travels from glass slab A to glass slab. Okay, that is nothing but lateral shift. Shifted, how much it is shifted. Now we are going to find that shift. At the same time, we are also going to find the refractive index. What is that? Refractive index of the glass slab. Now the materials needed: a drawing board. Actually, I don't have the drawing board. I have taken my cardboard and I have taken a black paper. Okay, a drawing board and a black paper. And to fix the paper, see what I am doing. See this. I am fixing it. 4 drawing pins. Okay, see this one. I fixed the paper with the help of the drawing pins. Now, see this. I have taken a glass slab. This is the glass slab. So I kept the glass slab. See this one in the middle of the paper. I kept the glass slab in the middle of the paper. I am tracing the boundary of the glass slab. I am tracing the boundary of the glass slab. Give me a word. Take the glass slab and keep the glass slab in the middle of the paper. Trace the boundary. Trace the boundary of the glass slab. See this? This is the boundary of the glass slab. See this? This is the boundary of the glass slab. Name the boundary of the glass slab as A, B, C and D. See this? I traced the boundary of the glass slab, vertical position of the glass slab. Now, with the help of the scale, see this one. With the help of the scale, see this one. Find the thickness of the glass slab. What is the thickness of the glass slab? This is 1.2 centimeters. How much? 1.2 centimeters. See this one. The thickness of the glass slab is 1.2 centimeters. Here I am writing thickness of the glass slab. Of glass slab. Do you have the protractor? AB to the boundary of the glass slab AB. Draw the perpendicular at the point B. Here I am drawing the perpendicular at the point B. Perpendicular in the sense how many degrees? 90 degrees. How many degrees? 90 degrees. So this is how much? This line is the perpendicular to side AB. Okay, are you clear about that one? This is making an angle of how many degrees? 90 degrees. Now what I am doing, observe this carefully. I am keeping the glass slab again in its position. I am keeping the glass slab in its original position. Now take the nail, see this, I fixed a point, this is the point P. Now at the point P on the perpendicular, keep the nail, okay, horizontally to the side AB. Now see this one. I kept the nail at the point P, which is parallel to the side AB. Are you clear? Are you clear about that one? It is parallel to the side AB. Okay. Next, I am taking one more pin. Try to understand the concept. I am taking one more pin. See, observing the first pin from the glass slab. ఈ పిన్ను నేను చేస్తున్నాను గ్లాస్ స్లాబ్ నుంచి చూస్తున్నాను. ఈ పిన్ను ఎక్కడి నుంచి చూస్తున్నాను ఎయిర్ లో చూస్తున్నాను. Such that these two pins are in straight line. Okay, you come this side. Okay, observe this. Take it. These two pins are inside line. I am observing one pin from the glass slab, another pin from the air, so that the two pins are inside line. Okay, one come. You come. Dinemo mark the point as Q. Where the second pin you kept. This point I marked the point as Q. This point as Q. Okay. Now join the parallel to AB from B. And another parallel to AB from the point Q. Another line from the point Q. See this. Observe. See this. Observe. This is the position of the pin when it is seen from the glass slab. This is the position of the pin. The same pin when it is seen from air. We fixed another pin now. Now you measure the distance between P and Q. It is 0.4 centimeters. How much? 0.4 centimeters. 4 centimeters. 0.4 centimeters. Are you clear about that? Now, thickness of the glass slab. Thickness of the glass slab is equal. See this? Where I kept this? The distance between P and B is how much? 9 centimeters. Here I am writing distance between B and P is 9 centimeters. And distance B and Q, BQ is equal 8.2 centimeters. Okay, this is how much? 8.1 centimeters. Okay, stop. Refractive index of this glass slab is found with the help of thickness of the glass slab. Already we got the thickness of the glass slab. What is the thickness of the glass slab? 1.2 centimeters. Here I am writing 1.2 centimeters divided by thickness of the slab is again 1.2 centimeters minus vertical shift. What is the vertical shift? 0.4 centimeters. This is equal to 1.2 divided by how much? 0.8 centimeters. Okay, 1.2 minus 0.4, how much? You will get 0.8. Now it is nothing but 12 divided by 8. 4 2 ja, 4 3 ja. How much? 3 by 2. 3 by 2 means how much? 1.5 centimeters. 1.5, not centimeters. What is that? 1.5. So the refractive index of the glass slab is equal to how much? 1.5. How much? 1.5. So this is the way how to find the refractive index of the glass slab using vertical shift method. Vertical shift method. Vertical shift in the sense how much the light ray is deviated from its path, shifted from its path, because a glass slab is kept, a denser medium is kept in its path. In its path. How much it is shifted actually? Here I have written how much it is shifted? 0.4 centimeter. 0.4 centimeter. Are you clear about that? So the refractive index is calculated using the formula thickness of the glass divided by thickness of the slab minus vertical shift. So practical values, I have written the practical values. This is for FA2. Okay, remember that. This is the lab activity for FA2. Are you clear? So ఈ విధంగా మనం ఏం చేయొచ్చు? వర్టికల్ షిఫ్ట్ కనుక్కున్నాము. అదే విధంగా వక్రీభవన గుణకము ఎంత అనేది కనుక్కున్నాము మనం ఉపయోగించినటువంటి గ్లాస్ స్లాబ్. అలాగే లాటరల్ షిఫ్ట్ అనేది ఇంకొకటి ఉంది. లాటరల్ షిఫ్ట్, లాటరల్ ఇన్ ద సెన్స్ పక్కకు పోవడం, అర్థమవుతుంది. వర్టికల్ అంటే నిలువుగా. ఓకేనా? లాటరల్ షిఫ్ట్ మీన్స్ how much the light ray is shifted from its original path, okay, laterally by placing the glass slab. We will do that activity also. Okay, first you write down all these readings. Okay, are you clear?